Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now in this video we are going to do a very popular question that is asked in so many interviews. Okay. Now just like reversing the string, there is one more question, that is find if the string is palindrome or not. Okay. Now what is a palindrome string? This string you are able to see, right? You read it from forward or backward. MADAM, MADAM. Both side the spelling is the same. Okay. Now these kind of words are called palindrome. So we are supposed to write a method that will tell us whether the pass string is palindrome or not. It will return true or false. Let's create that method. Okay, it will return boolean. It will take this word and it is supposed to tell us. Okay, we are going to do this in a recursive way. Okay, so there is one way of finding the palindrome is you calculate the first what you do, first you reverse the string. Okay, so whatever the string you passed in input, you already have that particular string. Now after reversing a string, you have a result as well. So you can compare both of those two strings, the input and the result after reversing the string. You can do either in this way. That is one of the logic. Now there is another way in which you have to iterate through halfway of the string. Okay, you don't have to reverse the whole string and then compare the original string. Okay, so we'll go through the second logic where we have to iterate through halfway. Okay, and we are going to make use of recursion as well. Now how we are going to do that, let's see. So I'm going to create a recursive method is palindrome. Now this method will take word, okay, 0, that is start index, word dot length -1, that is the last index. Let's create this method. Okay, now what we are going to do in this method, I'm naming this as start and this as end. Okay, now what we are doing here, okay, we can write one condition here itself. If word is equal to null, return false there itself. No need to go ahead and perform any sort of logic. If this is not null, then only we want to perform all the logic here. Now what we are supposed to do now, okay, so in recursion we know we need a base condition, right? And we need a logic so that we can reach till that base condition. Okay, now what that logic will be, so we are going to calculate if first character of the string and last character of the string, if these two are equal, if both of these two are equal, then we are going to increment the start and decrement the end. Then we are going to calculate if those two characters are equal or not. Okay, now the same thing will continue till the mid element. Okay, so because the moment you are able to come to the midpoint, right, all the elements from the start, all the elements from the end are the equal, and that's how your string is palindrome. Let me code that logic for you. If start is greater or equal to end, return true, because at that point we know that your string is palindrome. Now what that logic will be, if word dot char at start is equal to word dot char at end, that's how you're supposed to return is palindrome word start +1, because you already verified that the first character and the last character is the same, and once you verified that this condition is true, that's when you are going for ahead comparisons. Okay, so start +1 and end -1. This is the only condition, only logic that we are writing here. If condition is false, you know that they are not the same and it is returning false only. And if they are the same, this will keep on executing and the moment it comes to our base condition, it will return true. Okay, now the moment of truth. Let's see if our logic written is correct or not. Let's try running it. Yes, we are getting true. Perfect. That means our logic is correct. It feels good when your program runs at the first attempt. Okay, let me write my own name and see if my name is Palindrome or not. I don't think it is. So we are supposed to get false, and we are getting it. Even if you are passing null, right? I have written one condition, this one, right? If word is equal to null, written false directly. So even if you are passing null, you will not get null pointer exception, you will get false only. That's how you fail safe your program. Okay. So yeah, this is one of the good ways to calculate if your string is palindrome or not. Okay. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. May the source be with you.